Look at this. This is nice. Look at the sky. It's amazing. Unfortunately, I don't have the right footwear for this, so I've got muddy trainers because I came down this field here. Oh, it's open. Nice little church.
You didn't ignore my cry.
You can see this is tidal. Look at it, seaweed on the top. Also there, look. And water's going out. Oh, it's lovely here. Unfortunately, I didn't realise what it was like here. It's a little bit muddy. You definitely need some hiking boots, which I have in the car. I just didn't realise it was like this. Oh, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Just come over the wooden platform there. Newtown estuary. Interesting. They obviously put these little fishing boats in. We are in Newtown estuary. Stunning. I wasn't planning on coming here tonight, but a lovely sunset. And all the birds were all excited as the sun went down and they were feeding. So let's get back to the car. Absolutely lovely here. I guess it's beautiful in summer. And you have this walkway going back over to the village of Newtown. And all this swamp land here. Look at the sky, it's amazing. Beautiful. Right. And on the other side, look. Obviously the tide comes in quite high here. There's seaweed on the top. Unfortunately, I don't have the right footwear for this, so I've got muddy trainers because I came down this field here and it's very wet. But I was recommended to take this path, so turn left from the bridge, and apparently this is better, but it doesn't look a lot better. Oh, for God's sake. I've got hiking boots in the car, I should have put them on. But I didn't know it was wet, because I've never been down here before. So returning back to the car, look at that sunset. That is absolutely stunning. Look what we have here. It's blind. Let's have a quick look. It's probably closed. It's getting dark, so I need to get a move on. Ah, it's open. We're in a blind, standing on the top in the tower. We have comfortable seats here. Stunning views. I should come down here in the day, really. Right, let's get out of here. I see the light, head into the light, into the snow.